This is the WD HC550 hard drive, and it's the biggest hard drive available in the world right now. Hey guys, Craig from Server Factory here. We get a lot of cool new tech passing through our office every week, but it's not often we get a world record breaking component in. This WD HC550 drive has a capacity of 18 terabytes, which makes it the highest capacity hard drive to have ever been produced, along with WD's 18 terabyte gold drive. It's available in either SAS or SATA versions, and it's intended for data center customers, so there's a cost premium compared to desktop drives. Not that an 18 terabyte desktop drive exists yet. This premium gets you higher reliability and lower power consumption. But before we get into specs, how have WD achieved the feat of an 18 terabyte hard drive? Well, we'll leave a detailed explanation for the way that hard drives work for another video. Let us know in the comments below if you want to see that. But the short answer is that it has an eye-watering 9 platters which can store 2 terabytes each. A slightly longer answer involves the actual technology used, and we'll quickly explain that now. This drive uses CMR technology, or conventional magnetic recording, which is the same tech that most hard drives use. This is instead of SMR, or shingled magnetic recording technology, which we've seen many drives use over the last few years despite a lot of complaints. But what makes this drive special is that it also makes use of 2 newer technologies, TDMR and EAMR. EAMR in particular is very exciting, and this drive is the first to make use of it, although WD haven't specified how it's used. Just about everyone in the hard drive industry is looking forward to a specific type of EAMR called HAMR, which is seen by most people as the future of hard drive technology. HAMR works by quickly heating the disk while writing information, which allows writing to much smaller regions on that disk. This sounds amazing, but actually doing it has proven very difficult, as the heating, writing and cooling process has to be done in less than 1 nanosecond. That said, HAMR drives are expected by the end of this year, so keep an eye out. Anyway, back to this drive. Western Digital has projected that the HC550 can run for 2.5 million hours between failures and has a 0.35% annual fail rate. This would make it one of the most reliable hard drives on the market. It also uses WD's HeloSeal helium technology, which has been standard on most of their drives for a while now. It's also worth pointing out that WD has already announced plans for an even bigger 20 terabyte drive called the HC650, which is due by the end of the year. Just be aware that the HC650 will be an SMR drive. But why get an 18 terabyte hard drive at all when there are similar sized NVMe drives which are a lot faster? The short answer here is price. It will cost you somewhere around £3,000 to get a 16 terabyte NVMe drive, and this drive costs around 5 times less. This makes this drive ideal for archive or cold storage, as well as general low cost, high capacity storage. Despite what many people might say, hard drives are definitely not dead. Yet. These drives and many others are available from us right now, so please check out our website or get in touch with our sales team for a same-day quote. What did you think about this video? Let us know if there's anything you want us to cover in the comments below. As always, if you've enjoyed the video, then please leave a like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.